period. The period is used to mark the end of a simple statement or a command. For example, this is a very beautiful painting. This is a statement. It ends with a period or a full stop. I am going to attend a concert. Again, this is a statement and it ends with a period. Drink your milk. This is a command and it ends in a period. Command is also a statement that orders someone to do something. Do your homework. Clean your teeth. These are also commands, and they also end with a period. Commands and statements end with a full stop or a period. Now we will learn about the question mark. How are you? Is it written well? No, it is not written well, as this sentence is asking something. So we will put a question mark in the end and not a full stop or a period. What is your name? Is it written well? Yes, this is right, as this is an interrogative sentence and it is ending with a question mark. What are you doing? Is this sentence written well? Yes, it is written well, as it is ending with a question mark. Where do you live? Where are you coming from? All these sentences are asking questions. That is, they are interrogative sentences, so they are ending with question marks. So kids, remember, those sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. They end with a question mark and do not with a period or a full stop. Now let's learn about another mark. The exclamatory mark. The exclamation mark is another type of punctuation mark placed at the end of a sentence that expresses deep or sudden emotions or feelings. Like, oh, that's a huge building. You won the prize. You did a great job. I love this rainbow. What a pleasant day. These sentences are expressing a sudden emotion. That is why these sentences are ending with an exclamation mark. Here are some more examples for you. How intelligent you are. What a fine day. My dog is so cute. What a beautiful dress. Wow, that was a thrilling ride. Brilliant, you solved the puzzle. Awesome, you got the job. Ouch, that really hurts. So kids, today we have learned about some basic punctuation rules.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!